What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investing and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Gala Games. Moving up with Bitcoin here, currently sitting at 0.049, up almost 7% on the day. Sitting at market cap of 341 million, 25 volume, 434 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So a couple scenarios for Gala Games. The first one is that this is a wave B. We already have 3 waves up. I think this is now starting to look a little less likely, as this does look really impulsive. But if we were to break below 0.0473, which would invalidate a wave 4, then this may be a wave B. The second scenario is that we're still looking to come up in a wave 5. Let me zoom out. Actually, I think I show it right here. Yeah, so basically this is a wave 3 pullback. Let me pop over to the 4-hour time frame. So you have wave 1, wave 2. All of this was a wave 3, wave 4, and you'll still push up in a wave 5. And the 618 target is 0.078, but any break above the wave 3 can end the wave 5. So if that is playing out, then what I'd be looking at here is that you're making your first 5-wave move. So this would be a wave 4 pullback. You'd pull up in a wave 5 to complete a wave 1, have a wave 2 pullback, and a 3, 4, 5 to break that previous high and basically put in the final wave 5 before seeing a large pullback. So basically how it would look is this would be the completion of your wave 1. You'd still see a large wave 2. That's what I think is likely. I do think this is going to be a massive bull trap for the market. Please watch my Bitcoin video. Often what you'll see is the move will lose strength and you'll slowly create higher highs. And then basically you go A, B, C correction. That's what I think is likely for the market, including Gala Games, if we do put in that higher high. But if we were to fail to break that high, then this can all be a wave B. So far we have a 3-wave move. So if we break 0.047, we could look at a wave B, but personally I think Bitcoin is pulling back in a 4 and pushing up in a 5, and then you will see continuation to the upside. However, if it does fail to break that high, you could look at a truncation, but I think it's more likely that we'd still just be putting in a wave B pullback for Gala and then coming down in a wave C. But as I mentioned, if we do put a 5-wave impulse into a 1, we pull back into 2, you see it start to bounce, then potentially we could break that high and put in a higher high in a wave 5 for the price of Gala Games. All right, gang. So just a quick update. I do think if we do push higher, it will be a bull trap, as we are showing strong divergences, money flowing out. The move is losing strength. So basically what happens, you push up in a wave 5, people get really excited, and then you pull back A, B, C correction. And I still think there's a good chance that we come back down to the 2 to 3 cent range in a wave 2 before exploding in a wave 3. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. This is where I do my trading. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news, member profits, and my HODL all plays are all coming in at $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.